On April 29th, 2024, Ms. Kibler was convicted of OVI, operating a vehicle under the influence, a third offense in 10 years. Court has been informed that Ms. Kibler has reported to jail to serve her 30-day jail sentence on several occasions and has been turned away each and every time by the Conneaut City Jail because of jail space. Court received a letter from Ms. Kibler asking me to reconsider her sentence.
I would just like really to get this over with. If that means serving my time at the county, if I could get in sooner, or doing more house arrest, I would just like to just really get this taken care of. A lot of things have been put off. Every time I have to report to jail, I have to find a babysitter for my grandkids. And then I call them and say, you know what, I don't need you. I totally accept responsibility for what I did.
Well, I appreciate that, and I do know it does create an inconvenience, a substantial inconvenience for those who report. The county jail is well above its legal jail capacity, so there's a reason why you keep getting turned away. She reported on November 4th, it was full. November 18th, it was full. January 13th, it was full. March 17th, it was full. And May 12th, 2025, and it's full. And now she's been given a new date of July 7th. 2025 to report. Well, I was going to ask Officer Benoit to kind of summarize all of that for me.
I did get a medical update, treatment update from Signature Health approximately 1 hour ago. There was a crisis intervention done on May 20th, 2025. Ms. Kibler did admit to relapsing and being put into ED, medical admission, and signing herself out of AMA. She was diagnosed with alcohol use severe. She admitted during that time as well, she's been drinking alcohol daily, is drinking today, is in crisis, and during that intervention, she stated she had already consumed 1 bottle of Chaka, 80 proof, 40% alcohol, and is going to drink more. She doesn't get help with her alcohol problem, smokes marijuana all day, every day, but has not smoked in 3 days, and had used cocaine.
Is that referring to 2025, or is it she's to saying that this was a year prior? I think that's what you're saying.
No. I did relapse, but not on cocaine. That was the car accident in February of last year.
Did she attend the driver intervention program?
No, Your Honor, I spoke with her at her last appointment with me, and she said she would prefer to do the 3 days of incarceration instead.
Your request is denied, Ms. Kibler. You're going to report on July 7th, and I am going to direct the Conneaut City Jail to take you in, and that's going to be an order. They are going to take you in to serve your 30 days jail sentence. They don't take you in, if they turn you away, I will seek to hold someone in contempt of court.
I just want to get it over with.
Yeah. Well, you're going to be taken in. And Mr. Lewis, on behalf of the city of Conneaut, if you can direct the jail officials to ensure that she is taken into custody on July 7th, her report date.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ms. Kibler,
We have something taken care of.
yeah, I'm troubled by what I'm hearing here. And,
It's not totally true, sir.
excuse me?
It's not totally true, sir. I will admit to drinking.
Ms. Kibler, it's a condition of your probation that you remain drug and alcohol free. I had to intercede. I had to contact Signature Health myself. I shouldn't have to do that. They weren't responsive to the probation officer. And when I interceded today, they immediately responded and provided him these records. If he had had these records, he probably would have filed a probation violation complaint against you, which means this 318 days of suspended jail time could have been imposed. There was a serious accident involved in this case. It was your third offense in 10 years. You're lucky you're not going to jail for a year. It sounds like you have a serious substance abuse problem. If you fail to comply with what's going on, I'm asking the probation officer to keep a close eye on you. Because if you fail to comply with anything you're supposed to do, he better file a probation violation complaint. So you're going to jail on July 7th, and they're going to take you in. I don't care how full that jail is.